After giving the details, automatically one team is got created with Tumkur Exchange Cluster 2. Now we can give the password, create the user. Now the user is created successfully. Now I will log out. Now I will give one sign up for SSA administrator. One request to SSA, as an SSA administrator I will give Belgaum SSA admin. So I will select the scope as BA, then circle as Karnataka, then I will select Belgaum. Okay. Now I will register. Now I will log in as a circle user only, because I put request for SSA user. I have to log in as a demo circle. Now I logged in. If you go, you can see that Belgaum SSA admin request will come. So it is taking as Belgaum field control. Automatically one team match has come. Simply we have to click the team. Before that we have to give the password. Okay, I will create the user. User created successfully. Now I will log in with the new Belgaum SSA admin user. I hope you are able to follow the video. If any doubt is there, you please approach us. See, Belgaum SSA, right? So Belgaum SSA admin user, right? So this is so simple. Now the user may be give his request through sign up form, then the administrator can provide the can approve the request or reject the request. When the administrator approving the request, the username password will be sent to the user via SMS. Okay. So this is about the user creation and approve user request. Sometimes you have to modify the user account also. One user may be transferred from one exchange to another exchange area, or his profile may be changed from SSA transmission to exchange and vice versa, or he may be shifted to other SSAs also. So such case what we have to do, you have to click the users. If you click the users, whatever username created under your scope will be displayed. So now I log in as a circle admin user. So all the users under the SSA admin it will show. So these are the users created. Suppose if I want to change the demo cluster, okay, this cluster, if okay, this is the cluster 2, this is the mobile number and JTO. When it is created, the group type, it is local lead maintenance, and the name of the group is Tumkur Exchange Cluster 2. Okay, it belongs to all exchange group. Team name is Tumkur Exchange Cluster 2. This green color tick mark is there, no? That means the user is active. So I can click here. If I want to deactivate, I can deactivate. See, now it is changed. This user cannot log in into the portal. If you want to make him active, again you have to update his status. Okay, suppose if I want to change the team, this person is not is shifted from transferred from one cluster 2 to cluster 1. I can change to cluster 1 here and update the user. Okay, now if you see Tumkur Exchange cluster 1 for this user. Okay, this is under users menu, right? So similar way you can create other users also. So what are all the other users are there? Circle level we have EB team. I will show you. Create new team. So a coordinator. Okay, you can give the scope Karnataka. Okay, this is the coordinator role, right? So one more subgroup. I have to select the EB cell. KTK EB cell. EB cell. TK EB cell. So I can match the customers. So Canara Bank. I want to attach the Canara Bank of Karnataka circle. Okay, so this way we can create the EB teams. Okay, so EB teams mainly based on the customers. Okay, friends, I hope you understood how to create a user, how to create a team, how to create the groups. So before create anything, you please design yourself. For SSA users, I am telling SSA users, please design your SSA requirement. How many clusters are there? How many people are going to monitor? How the team should be designed? You first prepare in Excel sheet, and based on that you create the groups and teams as per your requirement. We are here to help you and give you suggestions. Please contact us for any query. Thank you.